Good afternoon, Way fam! The sun has gone down, we're all bundled up, and tonight we are going to some amazing Christmas markets here in Denmark. So Christmas markets are quickly becoming one of my favorite things. Europe has the best Christmas markets. In the US, we really don't have many options. I think they do like craft fairs.
Maybe at like big cities or something.
Yeah, but it's just not the same. Europe is freaking awesome. So I have no idea what to expect here in Denmark. It was awesome in Germany, but I'm thinking it's gonna be pretty cool as well. Whoa, I skipped a stair.
We are in downtown Copenhagen at the moment, and we're just walking down shopping streets. Beautiful little shopping streets. And yes, I am bundled up. It is that cold out. 8 degrees Celsius. Not quite freezing, but the wind chill is not improving things at the moment. We are on our way to go find some Christmas markets and just have a gay old Christmas time tonight.
So we have friends here in Denmark. You guys know them, you've met them before, but we're here with Tobias and Emily. Last time we were in Denmark, they hosted us, and this time they invited us again, and so we are staying in their house.
So they're our private Danish tour guides.
Yeah. I know, we actually met Tobias online, which is a hilarious, crazy story.
Yeah, almost 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah, that's crazy. Josh used to play Twitch, and
I would play Twitch. Grandma's talking about the internet. Josh used to play Twitch.
Don't judge, guys.
You streamed on
Don't judge
Twitch.
me. So I've been asking Emily some questions about the Danish traditions here at Christmas time. The differences are crazy. Like she said, on Christmas Eve is when they open a lot of their presents, almost all their presents. But
That's
they don't.
what we do.
Yeah. Like it's a tradition that we've kind of had for a long time. But I didn't know that was like, that's not just a Denmark thing, but she was saying maybe even Europe or a Scandinavian thing. And I had no idea. Santa usually comes Christmas night, and that's why, or Christmas Eve night, and that's why Christmas Day we celebrate. But she said that somebody in the family dresses as Santa, and that on Christmas Eve you meet Santa in this culture.
What?
I'm glad that we have kind of that tradition because I kind of understand it.
Yeah.
And every year my parents are like, let's not open presents this year.
Now you have an
Now I have it. Now I can be like, but it's another culture. Let's celebrate it their way.
Ah, good one.
Let's keep going through this Christmas market. We already tried some nuts and Josh loved them. So we're gonna see what else we can find and try and look at. How many come into one? Three, okay. Yeah, can we get 3? Yeah. Æbleskiver?
Yes.
Æbleskiver. But it's so apple.
It's just like, it's kind of a pancake dough, but they're just made into little round balls.
This is probably the way that it's cooked.
Yeah.
And then they served it with some jam and powdered sugar, yeah. Traditionally this is served at Christmas time. Maybe you can find it when it's not Christmas time, but this is the time of year to get this yummy little snack.
It looks kind of like a giant puffergy.
I should have got 10 of these. That is so good.
I got some in the freezer.
Oh, you have some at home already?
Yeah.
Here in the city center, they have little places where you can buy Christmas trees. We didn't see that in Germany at all, but these little Christmas trees, they're so small compared to the ones that we have in the US. This is the tallest one, whereas the rest are smaller. A lot of people here in the city have apartments, and their apartments aren't so big, so they buy the smaller trees, is what we were told. Also, these trees are just one kind, whereas in the US, you could get like 5, you see 5 different kinds.
Like designer trees and stuff.
Yeah. But, I mean, this looks like a designer tree. It's just the same kind for all of them. tree I've sniffed all year.
How did it smell?
Awesome.
The first Christmas market is, we were told, the smallest. So we're headed to a few more. One of the smaller ones. At least probably the smallest that we're gonna see today. So we're headed off to see a few more and hopefully get some more food because I am hungry. I was working all morning, barely paid any attention to breakfast or food or anything, and I'm starving. Next stop is the H.C. Andersen Julemarkt, and I just realized Yule means Christmas. So Yuletide, Yule log, I don't know if it's spelled the same, but it sounds the same. So Christmas, we got it from the Danes, right? That's Christmas is Danish.
I just learned Santa lives in Denmark.
What?
This is his house. And that's his chair. I think they do little arts and crafts in here for the kids. It's pretty cool.
So I was supposed to at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Would you like to take?
Yeah, I'll try.
I only have 9 different flavors. We have to try all of them.
Oh my gosh.
It's actually good.
Yes.
It's good.
Nice.
The linden tree mead, the nicest and sweetest honey we have. In the first 3 bottles, we only have 3 ingredients: water, honey, and yeast.
Water, honey, and yeast, maybe. Skål. That's delicious. Oh my gosh, we just tried a bunch of different types of mead. They had different percentages, like what, from 10% down to 6%, but from 12 to 6, and they were so delicious. Like a cherry kind, a apple kind. I told Josh I might be a drunk if I live here because I would want a bottle of that every day.
You're joking, saying we should get your mom a bottle and sneak it to her, like, Mom, try this juice.
Get my mom drunk.
It seriously, some of it just tasted like juice.
It did. It was so delicious. He was saying that it's because it's natural, like it won't give you a headache and a hangover the day after. So, I mean, that's a plus, but it was just really good. Almost like juice. Like, if you're a girly girl like me and don't like to taste alcohol when you drink alcohol, that is definitely what to go for. But not like butter, like it's hard to
So this is what, Flæskesteg?
Yeah.
Close enough. Basically, it's roast pork sandwich, but this is a special roast pork. It's usually made around Christmas time, although in summertime they often make it in a sandwich form. Later this week we'll be having it the Christmas way, but this is like to go in a way. Whoa! The skin is really crunchy right on the outside, and then you get pork on the inside, and they have red beets, I think. And
cabbage.
Cabbage, red cabbage.
Yeah.
This is really good. What are we making here?
We came back from the market and decided to make our own Galaga, and we stopped at the store to get like an already prepared little thing. You said there's grape juice, cherry juice.
Yeah, some
Spices.
spices and some syrup just to sweeten it up.
So it's kind of like the mulled wine. It's kind of like mulled wine, but in Danish you say gløgg.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then they put, we didn't see this in Germany at all, but they put raisins, cranberries, and slivered almonds inside the gløgg.
Ooh,
So you have to be
nice.
careful not to choke on them when you're drinking. We had this at the market and it was delicious, and they said they had some in their freezer. So guess what we're gonna snack on this evening? Some Aebleskiver. Aebleskiver?
Æbleskiver.
Æbleskiver. It's kind of like a song, I have to say it like that. So, yeah. Is that it?
Yeah.
We're gonna